Max tips and tricks. Two table.
మధ్యాహ్నం
Yes. Yes. One more time. We are going to. This is, ma'am, I have given annotation request. Put it yes, ma'am.
కదా
Now it is again, ma'am.
Annotation yes,
Children,
ma'am.
mute yourself. Everybody, please, because of some technical issues, we are Joyce Angel,
Please
kindly
mute.
mute.
Yes. No. Joyce Angel, please mute. Yes, by mistake it got unmuted. Joyce Angel, Joyce Angel, are you hearing me? Yes, please mute, ma. Thank you. Thank you, children. Now, let's start our session with max tips and tricks. We are going to recall two table one more time. Okay? Yes, because it's very, very important. Tables. So, let's recall it. Yes, repeat with me, children. Two table. One more time, we will do the box. Let's do it. You write down 2, 4, 6, 8, 0 are the even numbers. Are you remembering that one? The rhyme of even and odd? Yes, one is an Harani. Please mute. Harani.
Harni,
Honey,
Harni.
please mute. Okay, thank you. Now, yes, one is an odd, two is an even, three is an odd, four is an even, five is an odd, six is an even, seven is an odd, 18 is an even, nine is odd, 10 is even. Have you remembered the song Even and Odd? Yes. After writing in two boxes 2, 4, 6, 8, 0, and again second row you are going to write the same numbers 2, 2, 2, 4, 6, 8, and 0. After that, you are going to, yes, you are going, it's not at all working. Okay. After that, you are going to write in front first row 0, 0, 0, 0, and here comes 1. Yes. And after that, you are going to write here 1, 1, 1, 1, and the 0 will become 2. 20. So we got the table. Yes, you can see the next picture. 2, 1 is, yes. Let's do it. We got the two table. Let's do it. 2, 1 is 2. 2, 2s are 4. 2, 3s are 6. 2, 4s are 8. 2, 5s are 10. Next. 2, 6s are 12. 2, 7s are 14. 2, 8s are 16. And 2, 9s are 18. 2, 10s are 20. Yes. And one more time. In a horizontal way, we are going to practice. Yes. 2, 1 is 2. Yes. Let's do it. 2, 1 is 2, 2, 2s are 4, 2, 3s are 6, 2, 4s are 8, 2, 5s are 10, 2, 6s are 12, 2, 7s are 14, 2, 8s are 16, 2, 9s are 18, and 2, 10s are 20. Wow, I know my children are very good. Tables, you are going to remember. Okay, now let's start our session. Subtraction. Yes, Gija ma'am, you can change the clipping. Next. Yes, we are going to start our session with the subtraction. Yes, our lesson number 3, subtraction. And today we are going to do with grouping, with regrouping. Yes, ma'am. Gija ma'am, that subtraction rhyme, you put it. Gija ma'am. Gija ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. 1 minute, ma'am.
Change. Gija ma'am. Yes. Change that slide.
Yes, ma'am.
Subtraction
It's
right.
audible, ma'am.
Yes. Correct.
Oh.
Yes. Now, yes, children. Subtraction. Yes, we are going to have rhyme. Yes. Join me. Yes, annotation request I have given. Yes, join me. Let's do it. Subtraction rules. Yes. So, what are the subtraction rules? Let's see. Yes, the subtraction rules. First, look at the ones place is there. Let's see. You have seen the yellow color is marked as a ones place. Yes. Okay, so this is tens and this is ones. Tens, ones, and tens and ones. Now let's do the rhyme. Yes, first rhyme. First line. More on top. No need to stop. Yes, children, repeat with me. If the number is more on top, no need to stop. As you do subtraction, do it as it is. Let's do it. Now, let's see the first one. 68 minus 25. So, 68 minus 25. The ones place is 8 minus 5. 8 is more. 5 is less. So, do it as usual. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 is there and cancel 5. 5 cancel 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So the balance is 3. Yes. Write down 3. Now 6 minus 2. 6 minus 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 2 should be cancelled. So balance is 4. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 43. Yes. So let's do the rhyme. One more time. More on top. No need to stop. You have to do subtraction as usual. Okay. Now let's do the second. More on floor. Let's do the second one. More on floor. More on floor. Go to next door. More on floor. Let's see. Is it so? Yes. Here, 2. 2 is smaller and 9 is more. 9 is more. Then what to do? Yes. Go to the next door. Get 10 more. Yes, go to the next door. What is the next door? Tens place. The next door is the tens place. The number is 2. 2 will become 12. And 5, we have taken 1. 1, 10. We have taken 10. So it will go and become 12 there. And here 5 will become 4. Okay. Yes. So 5 will become 4 and 2 will become 12 because 5 has given 1. 1 is equal to here 1, 10 is equal to 10 ones. So ones place it's 10 extra got 2 got 10 extra and it become 12. Now let's do the subtraction. 12 minus 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9, 10, 11, 12. And we have to cancel 9. Let's cancel 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Cancel 8. 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 cancel. So the remaining is 3. Let's write down answer 3. Yes, 3. Now 4 minus 2. Yes, now let's do 4 minus 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And cancel 2. So the remaining is, yes, remaining is 2. Our answer is 2. Let's write down. 2, 23. Yes, repeat one more time, rhyme. More on the floor, go to the next door. Get 10 more. So we did like that. Okay? Yes, now let's go move to the third rhyme. Let's do it. Yes, the numbers the same. Numbers the same. Zero is the game. Number the same. Zero is the game. So 76 minus 26. 6 and 6 same. 6 minus 6 is equal to 0. And 7 minus 2. So make 7 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And remove 2. Let's remove 2. Remove 2. How many is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it is 5. Answer is 50. Yes. So one more time, repeat with me, rhyme. Numbers the same, zero the game. Yes, children. So so hope you are going to do subtraction rules correctly. So first one more time, repeat with me. Yes. Ma'am, go to that text, na? Someone annotation, someone has shared. Ma'am, uh,
Okay, I will change.
change it that one. Yes, now okay. Yes, subtraction rules.
Yes, Shagin ma'am. I will change,
Uh,
ma'am.
okay, fine. Now okay. One more time, just I will repeat. Subtraction rules. More on top, no need to stop. More on the floor, go to the next door. Get 10 more. And the third is number the same, zero the game. Okay, remember these three things. You will do subtraction without any mistake. Okay? Yes, follow these rules. Yes, ma'am. Gija, ma'am, you can change.
Okay, ma'am. Next one, box item, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. This one, boxes will be there. Two
Okay.
digit and before that, one more is there, box one. One's place. One more boxes will be there. Okay. Time is less. We will do this only. Okay. Fine. Okay. Gija, ma'am, let it be. Yes. Now, yes. Let's see, children. You have to find the difference. Here are the two-digit numbers. Yes, tens and the boxes are there. You can see the box. In that, tens is there and ones is there. And the carrying boxes are there. Yes, yes, this is a carrying box. This is a carrying box. Now, ma'am, someone has shared the annotation. Gija, ma'am, just you can go back.
Next one, ma'am.
No, no, no. This one itself, it's not clear. Um,
Now it's okay.
no. Fine, fine. Now, okay.
Now it's okay, ma'am.
Yes, yes, it's okay. Someone has shared the annotation. So, Yeah. Yes. Now, let's do it. 52, 5 is in tens place, 2 is in ones place. And you have to subtract 36. 3 is in tens place and 6 is in ones place. Now, someone is sharing annotation, miss. Okay. Now, children, we are going to subtract. See here. Yes, 2 minus 6. 2 is small and 6 is more. Then what to do? Go to the next door. Next door is 5. Yes. So cancel 5. We will take 1 from 5. So 1 from 5 means 5. We have taken 1. So minus 1. It will become 4. It will become 4. It will become 4. So here we are going to write 4 in the box. And what will happen? See, I will tell you. What is happening here is the 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And in that, 1 is got cancelled. Yes? So in 5 line, 1 got cancelled. So, and this one will go to the, yes, this one will go to one's place. Yes, that means, what that means, children? 110, 110 is equal to 1 tenths is equal to, is equal to 10 ones. 10 ones. 10 ones. Okay. 10 ones. So now we are going to draw. Here 110 we have taken. That means we got in ones place, we got 10 numbers. So we will put 10 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 second. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So it will become total 12 dots. In one place we got 12. So the number will become, 1 will become 12. Yes, the number will become 12. Yes. So now 12 minus 6. 12 in 12 in the 12 minus 6. So here you have put the dots, 12 dots. So in that you have to cancel 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So the remaining dots are, how many dots are remaining? So we are going to get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 dots. So 6 is the answer here. So same way we are going to see 4 minus 3. So here 4 minus 3, how many? So we have to cancel 1, 2 and 3. The remaining is 1. So here 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. So answer is equal to 36. 52 minus 36 is equal to, sorry, miss, that one make it 1, na? Eraser is not working. Yes. Yes. Yes, children. 4 minus 3, 1. 16. Okay. 3 has gone. So 1 is remaining. It becomes 16. Okay. 42. That means 52 minus 36 is equal to 16. Answer. Okay. Now over to Rubni ma'am. Rubni ma'am. Gija ma'am. Gija ma'am?
Ma'am, shall I change, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. Change. Rubni ma'am? Rubni ma'am?
Ma'am, it's okay.
No, no. One more slide is there,
Again,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Gija ma'am. Down.
One
This
more
one.
slide.
Oh, okay. Rubni ma'am is there? Rubni ma'am?
Wait, ma'am.
Okay, fine. This itself. Okay, ma'am. Let it be. Okay. Subtraction with regrouping. One more question we will do it. Yes. Okay. You can see here 21 minus 7. So here, yes, 21 minus 7. So here again, 1 is, yes, you can see here, 1 tens, in tens place 2 is there, and in ones place 1 is there. So what happened? So 1 is small and 7 is big. Then what to do? Go to the next row. Yes. So we are going to take 1 from 2. So 2 will become 1 and 1 will become 11. Yes. Now, how? Then 11 means 1 got 1 extra. Yes. So it become 11. 11 minus 7. So here the boxes will change. So see, this is this is one's place. So the 10 boxes, we have removed this box. Yes, child. This one we have removed. And this box has gone to the ones place. So we are shifting the box. So let's do here. These boxes has shift here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. 10 boxes coming. Yes, so this boxes is shifted to once. Now it become 11 boxes. So in 11 you have to remove 7. So let's remove it 7. 1. Let's remove 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. And the balance is, so the balance is, oh, yes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 box. So you can write here. Answer is 4. And now here 2 has become 1. So in tens place, we are having the box of tens. Tens is, that means 1 box is there. So we are going to write here 1 box. So total is 14 answer. So 21 minus 7 is equal to 14. Yes. Okay. Vijay ma'am. Vijay ma'am. Rishwant, please mute.
Who was that?
Me, please move. Please mute. Yes.
Who was that?
Yes, Gija miss. Dumi ma'am. Dumi ma'am. Is there? Dumi ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Do you hear me? Could you hear?
Yes, yes. Yes, yes, yes. Continue. Yes, ma'am. Gija ma'am, down one file I have sent.
Yes.
You can open that slowly. Yes.
Okay, ma'am. I want to share that.
Open that uh,
Right,
PDF
ma'am.
file.
I want to share that. I want to share.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Wait, ma'am.
Because we are not getting that share content.
Okay, ma'am. No problem.
Uh,
Shashin ma'am, did you share my content also?
yes, yes. I put that PDF file.
Okay, ma'am. Suddenly they
Ma'am, got it? It's not opening?
Downloading.
Downloading? Okay, fine. Slowly. It will take.
okay, children. Now we are going to look subtraction with regrouping. Using the blocks and dots, you learn how to subtract. Yes. Now we are going to subtract with regrouping, fingers backward counting. Yes, fingers and back. Uh,
Vijay ma'am, coming?
uh,
Ma'am.
Girija ma'am, did you download it?
No, ma'am. It's downloading, ma'am. I'm in school because the tower is very low in our school.
Okay, okay, ma'am.
Tower problem.
Okay. Even the whiteboard is not shown, right, ma'am? Even it's not showing that whiteboard option also. Okay. Meanwhile, I will try one.
Geja ma'am, otherwise, take this picture. I have sent you. If it is taking long time, just cancel and put it this one because time is less. Only 4 minutes is left. It is taking long time. You can put it this one, ma'am. I have sent the picture now. Clippings.
Ma'am, I am joining in some other thing, ma'am. I will use the whiteboard better.
Whiteboard is there. It's getting.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Shaheen ma'am, is it visible?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Okay.
yes, ma'am. Yes,
Okay,
okay.
45 minus 8.
Visible.
See, this is the sum. Okay, first what you will do, you will write the place values. So what is the place values here? Tens, ones, and then you will leave one line and then you will write 4, 5, 4 tens and 5 ones, and then 18, 1 10 and 8 ones, and then you will put minus sign and then is equal to you will put. So you will put the columns and all. You don't forget to do. Okay. Here I couldn't do it properly, so I just change. Okay. Now here this is the minuend, right? This is subtrahend. Minuend should always bigger number. Okay. Now you are having 5 minus 8. Is it possible? No, it's not possible. Now everybody have your hands. This is 5 and this is 3. Okay, see 8, 5 minus 8 is not possible. you all remember that in addition, if we have more in ones, that is more than 10, more than 9, you will regroup with tens. Okay, now likewise here it is lesser, we couldn't subtract, no, so we will take 110. 410 will reduce into 3 plus 1. So this 110 will go and join with 1's place value. Then it will become 15 ones. Here it will become 3 ones. Okay. Now 15 minus 8 is possible, right? 15 minus 8 is possible. Everybody have your finger 8 in your finger, 15 in your mind. 8 in your finger, 15 in your mind. Before 15, count along with me. 14, 14, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. Correct? 7. Now 3 minus 1 possible, right? 3 minus 1 is possible. 3 minus 1. 3 in your mind, 1 in your finger. 1 in your finger. So before 3, 2. 2. 2 tens and 7 1. Answer is equal to 2 10 and 7 1 is equal to 27. Okay.
Gija ma'am. Yes, 1 second. Gija ma'am, that one last content is there. Just to share it. That is for activity. Student can you can do
Yes,
like
ma'am.
this activity by using hand gloves. Okay, you can take 10 minus 6 or 10 minus 4, and you
Rubini
can
ma'am.
take hand gloves.
Yes, ma'am.
And
Ma'am, this after
1 second, ma'am.
classwork, ma'am.
no need, child. We will send you the class works. Okay, we'll send the class work. No, that time you do it.
Okay,
Okay.
ma'am.
Yes. So now, listen, children. This week activity you can use hand gloves or something and take the picture. Okay, no need video. Only take the picture. Like suppose 10 minus 6 is there. So how you will do? Ma'am has shown the hands now. Finger now. Same finger counting. You can do it. So 10 in the mind. You got the picture, Gija ma'am? Last one.
Yes, ma'am, but we
Hand gloves. Hand
not
gloves.
showing the share content, ma'am.
No, little up, ma'am. Little up. That first one I.
Send it. You can send it in the group. Going
Okay,
to
we'll
send it in
share
the group.
group.
Okay. So you
Yeah.
can see from the
Ma'am, what is
so
that?
kindly Harini, I think so. Please mute your video also. That is, you are going to use the gloves. Okay. You can fill with some sand, or you can make a chart also. Cut in. You just fingerprint. Draw your hand and cut it out. Okay. We are going to check the
Gija
process.
ma'am, got it now? Just check last one. Now you got
So that
last one.
gloves you can fold and count. Instead of using your hand, you are going to use that gloves. We will send to your class groups. Because of some WebEx changes, we couldn't share it now. That's the problem.
Gija ma'am, now you got it? Last one.
Any doubt? Any doubt, children? Meanwhile, you can type in the
Yes, ma'am,
chat
but
box.
it's to share content,
Any
ma'am. It's not showing the share content.
For you also? Okay.
any doubt? We will send that photo to your class group. You can see
Last
and
group.
do it. Okay, no
Yeah.
issues. Okay. Thank you, children. No doubt. Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Gurudev, ma'am.
Jai Guru.